Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Olatikumbo Factory, the lead consultant at ToksRealty. Let me ask you a wonderful question today. Are you creating wealth right now or liability? Do you know real estate is the biggest source of generating wealth on earth? If you don't know, ask every successful wealthy man and women around you right now. Yeah, today I'm about to show you the latest project in town. Can you look at this location? Look at this beautiful location. We call this estate Peak Luxury Court, located at Monastery Road. Look at the road. The Monastery Road from the Lekki Expressway all through down the Monastery Road is fully interrupted. So that's to tell you we have a beautiful access road. That's the Lekki Expressway over there. By my left here we have Domino Pizza. We have the Imperial Estate located in this state, and here is the Novera Mall. Look at the beautiful Novera Mall. So follow me as I'll be showing you more details about this estate. I'll be driving there shortly. Ensure you watch this video to the end so that you can capture the latest deal in town.
So let's drive, let's have a tour and see how the road that leads to Peak Luxury Court looks like. Yeah, by the right here is Shoprite Novera Mall. Sangotedo is located along the Lekki Express Road. That's the Shoprite over there that you are seeing. You can see the location. This road I'm driving on is fully tarred, is fully interlocked from the express to the end of the Monastery Road. Can you see? This is a very fine area. We have a lot of premium estates around this vicinity. We have the Diamond Estate. We have schools. This is a school. That's another estate over there. That's Diamond Estate by the left. Right, we have a lot of premium estates around this vicinity. We have schools for children. If you have a plan of building a home for your family, your children can school nearby, and you have shopping mall around whereby you can also buy things wherever you need or want to chill. There's lounge within the mall around that place. These are beautiful estates around this vicinity. You can see the road network, fantastic. And from the express to the end of this road is less than 5 minutes drive, and to the estate is less than 7 minutes drive. Can you see that? Beautiful environment. One thing I love about this location is the neighborhood and the road network, and you will definitely love it. You definitely love this neighborhood. Investing here is guaranteed that you will make high return. You will definitely make an impressive high return on your investment. If you are buying for investment, you can buy land here, keep for land banking. And you can buy some of the off-plan houses that will be offered in this estate, like 3-bedroom fully detached bungalow, or either the 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom terrace duplex with a PQ. So now we are going towards the estate. From the end of the Monastery Road to this place is less than 30 to 40 seconds drive. Here we come. This is Peak Luxury Court. Wow. So welcome. It's been an interesting journey. You can see it's not that far. So thank you.
Welcome to Peak Luxury Court. Can you see this beautiful location? This is just less than 5 minutes drive from the Lekki Expressway through the Monastery Road. Can you see this beautiful location? Nothing beats this around this area. So introducing to you Peak Luxury Court, we have fantastic access road to this place. The road network is awesome. Look at it. Look at the road network. This one connects to the Monastery Road. I show them the Monastery Road. That's the Monastery Road over there. And here we have Peak Luxury Court. This estate is an eco-friendly estate and is one of the most affordable estates you can buy and start building around the Monastery Road behind Shoprite Novera Mall. Peak Luxury Court is an exclusive residential community that defines luxury living. Can you see this beautiful location? And what are we offering here? We will be offering land for sale to every investor and interested client. We'll also be offering bungalows and terrace duplexes. So ensure you watch this video to the end to capture the details of what we have to offer in this community. Peak Luxury Court, located in Monastery Road, Sangotedo, will be coming with top-notch features like a 24/7 security system, paved road, portable water, recreational activities, drainage system will be in this estate, all right, and etc. Now the topography of this estate, you will agree with me that this is a dry land, is a very good soil structure, all right, and this estate is standing on over 200 plots of prime land. So as I've mentioned already, land will be sold in this estate starting from 15 million naira for a 300 square meter. This square meter plot size goes for 22.5 million naira, while the 600 square meter plot size goes for 30 million naira. Right now, this land in this estate is selling for a pre-launch price, so you can take advantage of it while it's still selling at a pre-launch. By the time the pre-launch is over, you will be paying more for this land in Peak Luxury Court. So why not take advantage of this moment whereby you can get 300 square meter for a 50 million naira, the 450 square meter for 22.5 million naira, and also 600 square meter for a 30 million naira. All you need to do is to do a 20% initial down payment. And let me tell you good news, when you are getting any of the land sizes, you can spread your payment for as long as 24 months. That is 2 years. That is fantastic and that is amazing. So what are you waiting for? So let me tell you about also the house types we are offering in this estate. You can also buy houses. If you're thinking you don't want to buy land and go through the stress of building it by yourself, you can buy houses. We have houses here selling as off plan. For a 3-bedroom bungalow is available for sale here. We have 2-bedroom terrace available and also 3-bedroom terrace duplex. All comes with a BQ. All right, for the 3-bedroom fully detached bungalow with a BQ, you can get that for 50 million naira. For a 2-bedroom terrace duplex with a BQ, you can get that for 40 million naira. And also the 3-bedroom terrace duplex with a BQ, you can get that for 45 million naira. All you need to do is just to do your 20% initial down payment while you spread your payment for as long as 24 months. You can do 12-month payment plan, you can do 18 months up to 24 months. All you need to do is 20%, all right? And this property is in no means right now. Why is still selling at a pre-launch price? If you're interested in securing a home here, don't sleep on this day. Why is it selling for a pre-launch price? Because from 10th of April 2023, price will be reviewed upward. There'll be price increase on all this property. The land will increase in price and also the houses will also increase in price. The pre-launch prices will end from April 10th 2023. So why do you have to pay more when you can pay less and own a property at the back of Novera Mall, Shoprite, Sangotedo? Thank you for watching my video up to this moment. If you are a first timer coming across my channel for the very first time, please kindly click on the subscribe button right now so that you can be getting information like this anytime we release content that can make you wealthier by investing in real estate. All right, and if you are here to like this video, please like it so that other people can also see my content. Drop your comments if you have questions, you have more question or query concerning this property. Now, considering the strategic location, the quality neighborhood, and the fact that this property you can buy and start building right away. So what is your excuse not owning a plot of land, either plot of land or houses in this particular estate right now? Look at the number on your screen or call me on 080-626-3219 so that I can assist you in securing either land or house in this particular estate. What's the title on this property? The title, the legal title of this property is Certificate of Occupancy, and that is a C of O. So there's no encumbrances on this property, there's no money wala, there's no government palaver, nothing. Everything that needs to be done has been done on this land. So you have nothing to worry about. All you need to do is just invest and relax and trust that the developer in charge of this project will deliver. This same developer has done a lot of projects. They have projects in Victoria Island. They are the developer of Peak Bungalow, Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3, Phase 4, Peak Terraces, all manner of fantastic projects they have done. They have projects on the mainland as well. And for the fact that the developer will also be building houses and also be doing infrastructural development, you will definitely enjoy impressive returns on your investment while living the lifestyle you have always dreamed of when you invest in Peak Luxury Court. Why not seize this opportunity today and secure your future while the property is still selling at the pre-launch prices? What are you waiting for right now? Why not give me a call? Oh, you are thinking I'm not even Lagos. Why not? You can also invest whether you're in Lagos or outside Lagos. We can either choose to do a physical inspection or virtual inspection. If you're outside Lagos, you should go for virtual inspection, which I do for my clients every time. Or you either send your family or any members of your colleague or family, you can send them so that I can take them on physical inspection to see this perfect location for your family right now. Trust me, you are not far from the shopping mall. You are not far from a lot of fantastic development. The Lekki Expressway is less than 5 or 7 minutes drive from here. Wow, perfect estate. Thank you for watching my video up to this moment. I'll be expecting your call. You can also send me an email via ToksRealty @gmail.com. You can see it on your screen right now. So you can send me an email, you can send me WhatsApp chat, you can call me, you can book an inspection. And if you have any other property in mind that you have seen on my channel, or you just want to discover me on any professional matter, I'm always ready to answer your question. You're always welcome. Thank you. I love you. Thank you for every smart investors that have investment with ToksRealty, and everyone that have been referring their friends, their colleagues, their families to me. I so much appreciate you. I do not take you for granted. God bless you. Thank you for watching this video up to this point to the end. The next time that I'll be seeing you in a bigger level. Bye.